Do you want to know how the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro stacks up against the DJI Osmo Action 6 and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 when used underwater? Stick around, I've got something for you. Hey there, underwater image makers, and welcome back to the channel. As always, great to have you here for today's video. Today's video is going to be a simple comparison between the underwater footage that comes out of the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro and the DJI Osmo Action 6 and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Now, I just came back from a job in Madeira, Portugal, where I was covering an underwater photo and video competition for the organizer. And while I was using my larger rig, the Nikon ZR, in the Sea Frogs housing, which you can see back there, I thought to myself, why not use that opportunity to bring those 3 action cameras with me and just have them attached to the top bar of the Sea Frogs housing and have them run simultaneously while I was using the big rig to actually film the competition and the event. Had them with me for a couple of dives and just had them running simultaneously. And capturing the same sort of scenes from like the same perspective with the same angles and so on, so that we can compare the footage quite easily and get a sort of a good comparison as to how these cameras perform underwater compared to one another. Specifically, I was interested to obviously learn what the Mission 1 Pro can do compared to these other 2 cameras, which I've been using, the Osmo Action 6 and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 for quite a while, so I'm familiar with those 2 cameras, but I just wanted to see how the Mission 1 Pro stacks up against those 2. In today's video, I'm not really gonna make much of a comment about what I think about the comparison shots. I'm just gonna show you those shots. I'll always put a little text on the screen as well, which is going to tell you in what settings I've used to capture those shots for each of the cameras, and then I'll either show you the shots one after the other or side by side, so that you can get an idea of the different cameras and decide for yourself which one you like best and how good the Mission 1 Pro, the new Mission 1 Pro from GoPro, actually is compared to these other 2 cameras. Then at a later stage, I will actually make a proper, thorough and detailed review about the GoPro Mission 1 Pro for the use underwater, but I'm not very comfortable doing that right now because I haven't really had enough time to take it through its paces and really test all the different functions and settings and all that sort of stuff. I still need to do a couple more dives to do so, to get that experience and that confidence to make that review for you guys. But as soon as I've got all that information together, I will obviously do that, and it will be published obviously here on the channel. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and activate that notification bell so you're not missing out on that video when it drops here on the channel. So that's it. Have fun with the comparison shots, and please do let me know in the comment section below which ones you like the best and what you think about the performance of the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. Enjoy.
Sitting on the roof and above your head, stimulating thoughts and what you say. Can't figure out where I go. Stimulated thoughts drown my soul, and it's all a dream. tides and waves say. Can't figure out where I go. Stimulating thoughts drown my soul, and it's all a dream.
So what did you think? How did you like the footage coming out of the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, especially compared to these other two cameras? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any other questions about the usage of the GoPro Mission 1 Pro or these other two action cameras underwater, leave those questions down in the comment section as well. Thanks guys for watching, and as I said, I will be coming up with a detailed, thorough review on the Mission 1 Pro for the use underwater very soon, so make sure to subscribe and watch out for this video if you're interested in that. And other than that, thanks for watching, have an awesome day, and if you want to learn more about how to capture cinematic footage using any action cam, then go and check out this video over here next. Thanks for your time guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.